The Royal Enfield Continental GT650 is more than just a motorcycle, it's an icon of style, heritage, and performance wrapped in a timeless design. As you step into a luxurious showroom, the gleaming presence of the Continental GT650 immediately commands attention. Its distinctive café racer silhouette, low-slung handlebars, and aggressive stance reflect a motorcycle built for enthusiasts who appreciate both aesthetics and performance. The ambiance of the showroom, with polished marble floors, glass panels, and strategically placed lights, enhances the aura of the bike, making it appear almost like a piece of art rather than just a vehicle. The Royal Enfield name displayed in bold, illuminated letters on the wall reinforces the legacy and craftsmanship associated with the brand. The Continental GT650 carries forward the brand's long-standing tradition of producing motorcycles that seamlessly blend classic design with modern engineering. As one approaches the motorcycle, the eye is drawn to the sculpted fuel tank with its signature teardrop shape, reminiscent of vintage café racers from the 1960s. The combination of chrome and rich paintwork adds a layer of sophistication that appeals to both seasoned riders and new enthusiasts. The minimalistic seat, rear cowl, and upswept exhausts contribute to the bike's aggressive, sporty demeanor. Every inch of the motorcycle, from the finely finished engine to the intricate detailing on the badges and side covers, speaks volumes about the meticulous attention to detail that Royal Enfield has poured into this machine. The heart of the Continental GT650 is its 648cc parallel twin engine, which delivers a balance of power and refinement that few motorcycles in this category can match. This air and oil-cooled engine produces a smooth, linear power delivery that makes the GT650 as comfortable cruising down highways as it is carving through twisty back roads. The distinctive rumble of the twin exhaust pipes creates a sensory experience that heightens the joy of riding, connecting the rider to the raw, unfiltered essence of motorcycling. The 6-speed gearbox, assisted by a slip-assist clutch, ensures smooth shifts and reduces rider fatigue, especially during long rides. This mechanical harmony is a testament to the engineering prowess that underpins the motorcycle. Beyond the performance, the Continental GT650 represents a lifestyle. It evokes memories of the golden era of motorcycling when café racers ruled the streets, and riders sought to express their individuality through their machines. The showroom setting further elevates this narrative, with the bike positioned under soft spotlights that accentuate its curves and contours. The minimalist yet premium environment allows the motorcycle to be the focal point, reinforcing its status as a luxury item. The reflections on the polished floor mirror the timeless appeal of the GT650, reminding visitors that this motorcycle is not just built for the present but designed to become a classic in its own right. Seating on the Continental GT650 feels natural and engaging. The slightly forward-leaning riding posture, combined with rear-set foot pegs and clip-on handlebars, gives the rider a sense of control and connection with the machine. The seat is firm yet comfortable, designed for spirited rides through winding roads. The simple, analog-digital instrument cluster provides all essential information without overwhelming the rider with unnecessary data, maintaining the retro-modern aesthetic. This balance of simplicity and functionality ensures that the rider's focus remains on the road ahead, fostering a pure, immersive riding experience. In the luxurious showroom, the Royal Enfield Continental GT650 is more than just a product on display, it's a representation of the brand's rich heritage and forward-looking vision. The large, illuminated, Royal Enfield lettering on the back wall serves as a reminder of the company's journey, from producing simple commuter motorcycles to crafting globally recognized machines that blend style with substance. The sense of pride and craftsmanship permeates the entire environment, creating an almost reverent atmosphere where each visitor feels like they are part of something greater than just purchasing a motorcycle. The showroom's architecture further amplifies this experience. Large glass panels allow natural light to flood the space during the day, highlighting the intricate design elements of the Continental GT650. The evening lighting, soft and warm, creates a more intimate atmosphere, allowing the bike's chrome and metallic finishes to shimmer under artificial lights. The juxtaposition of natural and artificial lighting adds depth to the visual presentation, making each visit to the showroom a unique experience. The subtle use of branded elements throughout the space, from wall-mounted photographs to carefully curated displays of Royal Enfield merchandise, reinforces the brand's story and identity. Owning a Royal Enfield Continental GT650 is not just about transportation, it's about becoming part of a legacy. Each ride on this motorcycle is an opportunity to connect with the road, with oneself, and with a community of like-minded enthusiasts who share a passion for motorcycling. The Continental GT650's accessibility, both in terms of price and ease of riding, ensures that this legacy is not limited to a select few but is available to a broader audience. This inclusivity, combined with the luxurious presentation in the showroom, makes the Continental GT650 a compelling proposition for anyone seeking to experience the joy of riding. The engine's smooth torque curve and responsive throttle encourage spirited riding, while the well-tuned suspension system ensures that the bike remains composed over a variety of surfaces. The dual cradle frame, developed in collaboration with renowned chassis specialists, offers a balance of rigidity and flexibility that translates to precise handling. Whether navigating city traffic or exploring open roads, the Continental GT650 remains agile and responsive, instilling confidence in the rider. This versatility further enhances the bike's appeal, making it suitable for daily commutes, weekend getaways, and everything in between. In terms of aesthetics, the Royal Enfield Continental GT650 offers a palette of colors and finishes that cater to diverse tastes. From classic black to vibrant two-tone schemes, each colorway enhances the bike's visual appeal, allowing owners to choose a variant that reflects their personality. The use of high-quality materials and finishes ensures that the motorcycle ages gracefully, developing a unique patina over time that adds to its character. This focus on longevity and durability underscores Royal Enfield's commitment to creating motorcycles that are built to last. As one walks around the showroom, the Continental GT650 continues to captivate with its timeless charm. Each angle reveals a new detail, from the polished exhaust pipes to the carefully stitched seat. The more one observes, the deeper the appreciation grows for the craftsmanship and design ethos that define this motorcycle. It's not just a machine, it's an expression of passion, artistry, and a relentless pursuit of excellence. The luxurious setting of the showroom serves as the perfect stage for this masterpiece, ensuring that every visitor leaves with a lasting impression of the Royal Enfield Continental GT650.